Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has inaugurated the National Primary Education Week 2024 with a renewed pledge to ensure quality education for children. She opened the week as a chief guest as a function in the Osmani Memorial Auditorium this morning. The Prime Minister also distributed Primary Education Medal 2023 among the stakeholders on the occasion. As a part of the week, a total of 126 stakeholders were honored with the medal in 18 categories as 36 students, 15 persons and 3 organizations received the medal directly from the Prime Minister. The theme of the week is Shishu Bandhov Prathomik Shikha, Smart Bangladeshir Dikha. A video documentary was on the activities on the development of primary and mass education across the country that was also screened in the event.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।